Welcome to my channel AK Mechanical Lecture. Today I brought new updates regarding PhD and MPhil admission session 2021-22. This is of Guru Gobind C in the Press University, Dwarka, Delhi. So I am going to show you the important things like what are the eligibility criteria, what are the important dates. Here you can see applications are invited for admission to PhD program in the following discipline: information technology, computer science and engineering, computer application, electronics communication engineering, mechanical and automation engineering, management, chemical technology, biotechnology, environmental sciences, medical sciences, mathematics, chemistry, physics, English, economics, disaster management, pharmaceutical science, sociology, law and legal studies, mass communication, architecture and planning and MPhil program in English, clinical psychology and psychiatric social work as per PhD ordinance 2017 available at the link. They have given the ordinance link. Here you can see all the important norms. The common eligibility criteria for admission to PhD program: that candidates seeking admission to PhD program should have master degree in relevant discipline or professional degree declared equivalent to master degree by corresponding statutory regulatory body with at least 55% marks in aggregate or equivalent grade B in UGC 7-point scale or equivalent grade in point scale wherever grading system is followed, or an equivalent degree from foreign educational institution accredited by an assessment and accreditation agency which is approved, recognized or authorized by an authority established for incorporated under law in a home country or any other statutory authority in that country for the purpose of assessing, accrediting or assuring quality and standard of educational institution. So you must have your masters in relevant discipline with 55% marks or 7 point or grade B in UGC 7-point scale. There is a relaxation of 5.5 or 5% marks from 55% to 50%, or an equivalent relaxation of grade shall be allowed for those belonging to SC, ST or differently able category. For general OBC, the minimum requirement of percentage is 55%. A candidate whose MPhil dissertation has been evaluated but the viva voce is pending may be admitted to PhD program in the same USS. What is this USS? They have given something? USS University. They have not given anything. Okay, no problem. Means same rule will be applied for MPhil candidate also. If they have submitted their MPhil dissertation. Candidate possessing MPhil degree or degree considered equivalent to MPhil degree of an Indian institution shall be eligible for admission to PhD program. For detail regarding a school, a specific eligibility criteria, candidate may refer to a school by details. Means they have given the detailed criteria below this also. Number of full-time research fellowship are also available for eligible candidates, and the conditions will apply for them. Number of slots to be notified later on university website. Common minimum criteria for admission to following MPhil program: means MPhil English at University School of Humanity and Social Sciences, MPhil in clinical psychology, MPhil in psychiatric social work. There are three institutions where you can apply. 50% of seats are reserved for MA candidate of University School of Humanity and Social Sciences of University. Means who have done his MA from this University School of Humanity and Social Sciences, then there is 50% seats reserved for them. Then what are the minimum eligibility criteria? Candidates who have secured at least 60% marks and have obtained their qualifying degree only in 2021 are eligible to avail this benefit. The group of applicants shall keep the copy of admit card for proof of candidature at the time of admission. 50% seats are open, which are meant for any candidate with MA or equivalent degree from UGC recognized university with minimum 55% marks in aggregate or its equivalent grade. Seats of any of the group are inconvertible if remaining vacant. These are the detail. MPhil, if you want to take admission in MPhil clinical psychology, then you must have your MA or MSc degree in psychology or equivalent from university recognized by UGC with minimum 55% marks. The CET shall be followed by an interview of the qualified candidate for of CET for admission to this program. Weightage of marks will be 90% CET ka and 10% for interview and practical as per RCI. The candidate shall be called in the ratio of 1:3 candidate for the purpose of interview. Means for interview they will called 1:3. Means how many vacancy are there, according to that triple candidate will be called for the interview. Schedule and venue of interview and practical will be notified later on the university website. And this is third MPhil psychiatric social work. In that also if you have MA with 50% marks and 55% marks for general OBC and DWS candidate and 50% marks for OBC SC/ST and PWD candidate, then you can apply. Same thing apply here also. Means CET will be followed by interview will be conducted, and 90% marks will be given for CET and 10% for interview. Same 1:3 will be calling. Time will be decided for interview later. Procedure for admission to PhD program. Here they have given one PET conducted by university or any designation agency by university in relevant discipline of the study. The test will be conducted on CBT, means online mode. It is an online mode of examination and designated center only. Those students who have qualified UGC NET including JRF, UGC SIR NET including JRF, GATE, DBT JRF or ICMR JRF or teacher fellowship holder or have passed MPhil program shall be exempted from entrance test conducted by university for admission to PhD program. Means if you have qualified these all the tests, then there is no requirement of PET to attend for this program. Such candidate need to submit the relevant document in support of their claim along with request for exemption within 2 weeks after the last date of receipt of PhD application in the respective university, school of study or center of excellence in the university. Means within 2 weeks from last date you have to tell them that I have qualified all the tests. Then they will select all the candidate list. For them PET will not conducted. Only those candidate with valid and qualified GATE score at the time of admission are eligible for exemption from PET 2021. Only those candidates who have qualified junior research fellowship JRF and same is valid at the time of admission are eligible for exemption from PET. Reservation will be given as per university rules. Entrance test shall be qualifying for admission to PhD program with 50% of total marks as qualifying cutoff for general category and 45% marks for SC/ST and PWD. Schedule of written test shall consist of 50% of research methodology and 50% subject specific. Interview will be required to discuss their research interest and area through presentation before duly constituted PhD admission committee. Admission shall be on based on performance and merit of candidate in the interview or viva voce. They will consider following aspect like if you have basic knowledge and aptitude for proposed research work, you must have competence for proposed research work, you have the proposed plan of research can contribute to new and additional knowledge in the area of research. So that's all about important how they will select you. This is the PET will be of 2 hours duration with 100 number of MCQ type question. Each question shall carry 4 marks and there shall be no negative marking. In PET for English and sociology 50% of question will be of subjective type and remaining 50 will be of MCQ type. Procedure for admission to MPhil program same. CET with interview will be conducted by the university. These all are the different subjects in which you can apply and there are different research areas. You can go through this or you can take the screenshot also. This is the means entrance test syllabus, not research areas. Means if you are applying for MPhil clinical psychology, then from these all topics they will cover all the questions of CET, like development psychology, quantitative technique for psychology, likewise. These all are the syllabus, means they will ask cover the questions of from this only. Then there is important instruction. The term university in this admission browser shall mean the Guru Gobind Singh Trust University. Application form shall be available in online mode only on university website. The last date of application may be extended for any program or program group for which a common CET is to be conducted by the university. It is responsibility of candidate to ascertain whether he possesses the requisite eligibility and qualification for admission or not. Applying for a particular PET or CET, appearing for written and qualifying the same doesn't necessarily mean acceptance of eligibility. Every applicant for a particular PET CET must satisfy the eligibility criteria as specified in the browser. Means what the percentage criteria they have said, you must have followed that. Language of PET or CET will be in English. From the merit of a specific PET or CET code, admission are in general mode to a specific set of program of studies. A separate application form has to be filled in for each program having distinct PET or CET code. No separate intimation will be sent to the candidate regarding declaration of result and commencement of counseling and interview and admission. Means you have to check out university website regularly. Applicant should retain printout of PET or CET application form as proof of application. Means they will not provide you any admit card. There will be no rounding of the percentage of marks of qualifying examination. Means if you have 49.99%, then it will not be rounded up to 50% marks. That thing you have to take care. So this is all the important things. Now we can see the important dates. These are the important dates. Means starting from 8th of June, they have given notification for admission for filling the form. Last date 15 July, means till now you have 13 days left. Last date for submission of document by the candidate requesting exemption from PET at the respective university, school of study or center of excellence through online or offline mode after the last date for receipt of application plus 2 weeks. Means they have given additional 2 weeks. List of exempted candidate from PET to be uploaded by university in a school of study or center of excellence on the university 1 week before the last date of PET of that discipline. Date of entrance test will be notified later. Interview schedule will be also declared later. The application fee is 1200. That thing you have to take care. Then these are the instruction for filling of a PET or MPhil application form. You must take the screenshot of that. Now they have given the exam date and timing. They have not given. This will be notified later. Refund policy is as per the university rules. Then they have given additional eligibility criteria for each discipline, and along with that they are also given the syllabus of entrance test. This you can see. It's not possible to discuss everything because it's too long, and video will also of too much hours, so it's not possible. So for that you must download the admission browser. I will upload the link in description box. So that's all about the today's video. So please share the video with your friends who want to apply for PET or give the information about the PET admission of this university. And if you have not subscribed the channel till now, you must subscribe that. Thank you. Have a nice